All right, so basically we swapping these with the rubber ones. Rubber joints, trash. We're gonna see what happens with these joints. These the polyurethane joints. Beautiful, you see what I'm saying? Beautiful. I'm gonna put the link in the description so y'all could just click it and then grab them joints yourself and then put it in yourself by watching this video, if you do what I'm saying. But, yeah, I mean, I got it from Drift HQ. I need a sponsor there, real bad. It's like, no, but that ass though, you know what I mean? But, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it, man. We'll be removing this axle completely. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it because you can see the type of performance we have right here. This joint is leaking. No bueno. No bueno at all. You know what I'm saying? So Yeah, so it's like around like 9 o'clock right now. Bushings are in. E46 is driving. Run great, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna holler at you on the next one.